Sound setup. Sound transmission methods. AUX AMI transmission. For vehicles equipped with an AMI port, connect the provided AMI cable to enable CarPlay audio through the vehicle's AMI or aux system. If your phone's Bluetooth is already connected to the original vehicle's Bluetooth, please disconnect it. Please return to the OEM's media page. Please select the external audio player aux or AMI, and ensure that the player volume is not at its minimum. Please leave the original vehicle system on this page. Then touch the screen to return to the CarPlay system and enjoy music. Troubleshooting aux or AMI input issues. Bluetooth transmission. For vehicles with OEM vehicle Bluetooth, which supports both phone calls and music, please return to the new system and turn on the Use Cars BD channel switch in Setup System to activate the Bluetooth function. Please return to the OEM system and connect your phone to the Audi Bluetooth. Please leave the original vehicle system on this page. Then touch the screen to return to the CarPlay system and enjoy music. Troubleshooting vehicle Bluetooth audio issues. Warm reminder: the Audi OEM Bluetooth sound mode only supports CarPlay and Android Auto. If you are using screen mirroring or USB to play music videos, please use aux or AMI sound mode.